There they go. You down first.
Make sure your face is in the gap. That way you can show up in the picture. Don't stand behind somebody's head.
Right.
Don't stand behind Steve and Q.
Right. The ass will be in the picture.
What's up, your boy Ty Malone. If y'all ain't here today, y'all must have lost your mind. Second annual Philly BBS Boyz Ride Out Cheesesteak. This shit is crazy. Last year I think we went with about 20 cars. You look around here, show my man got the camera, gonna show y'all. We about 40 deep. We meeting up with Delaware, we meeting up with Jersey, South Jersey, Philly, DC. We all here. It's gonna be an epic day. We making a movie. BBS Boyz Worldwide. Peace.
Boyz, Baltimore, y'all. We're getting ready to roll out from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, second annual Philly run. As you can see, we out here. I mean, we got the Z's right there, right there. We got the Lexuses, Infinities, everything all old school. Y'all what it is, y'all know what it is. Meet us there or beat us there. Peace.
Bmore BBS Boyz. Look on IG. We coming. This is a brotherly love group. We come together as one, and we meet up in one spot, and we show each other love. This is what we do.
Get ready for this. After this, we got the 80s and 90s party, the end of February. After that, then we got meeting up again in May at Drew Hill Park. So I'm trying to tell you, 2024, you better get ready. We coming.
We out here, short. We doing the damn thing always. Better know it. Ooh, that's that black thing.
at it again. Me and Lil Tone, Angry Man.
Tell them what it is, bro.
Hey, yo, listen.
Tell them.
It's Ty Weezy, Ty Malone, the ambassador, Bmore BBS Boys. Yo, we right here, man. We in Delaware. We clicked up, man. Listen, it's a community. We doing it for the culture. Ty, please.
It's not for the kids, then for who?
OGs right here, they the OGs.
BBS Boys Worldwide, y'all know what it is. Y'all gonna be asking in 2025. Where were y'all in 2024? Like we asking where were y'all in 2023? Don't miss the next one. It's gonna be a crazy summer. BBS Boys locking the card game down.
Facts.
What's up, everybody? This is PJ from the Bmore BBS Boys. We made it to Delaware, hooking up with South Jersey and the Delaware chapter. We're on our way up to Philly. Not that far out, man. We just crushed the highway, took up all 4 lanes. I think we had about 45 cars on the highway, hooked up with Delaware and South Jersey. They're about to fly the drones over top of us. You know, this is what we do, man. first of the year. Keep getting bigger and better, and stay tuned for more, man. We got the 80s, 90s party coming up on the 24th. You know, just check in on the page. You know, DM us if you need any information or whatever about the party coming up. Stay tuned for more.
We out here, man. BBS ready. You got some fours in here? Hell no. You know you're supposed to hit me up early for that. Let's go.
It's the original. This the new style, though. You heard?
Let's go.
All bloody. My man.
Brotherly love, we killed it. Philly was beautiful. It's over. Finito. Listen, Philly was beautiful. Beautiful turnout. Crazy. Yeah, don't do it.